Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update. We are going to make a technical analysis and a price prediction with some honest opinions, guys, and of course unbiased information. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. If you would like to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, it helps so much with the daily updates, and also you can join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below. So let's see right now some important things. You can see here that we are going into the next price target for Cardano. Okay, we will be going to the 3.11 around there, 3.20 we have 3.27, 3.34 as our next price targets, right? So therefore, yes, these are next price targets. Let's put a price label on so you can see it clearly. Here we are, the next price targets for Cardano, and of course it is ready to pump, and of course it is ready to go upwards, right? So therefore everything is good from the time that we made this high right here. Then we just corrected a little bit and now we are ready to go up again. The MACD here didn't have a bearish cross. As you can see, the blue line is above the signal line for now, and you can see that the volume starts to increase on the 4-hour frame, on the volume here on the 4-hour frame on trading view, because each candlestick contains 4 hours of price action. That's what we call 4-hour frame. Okay, so let's go to the RSI risk metrics, and you can see that the stochastic RSI is not in an oversold situation. I would expect the stochastic RSI to go into an oversold. We correct a little bit because the stochastic was in an overbought situation. I would expect the stochastic to go down, but it is not necessary for us to have a buying opportunity again. Okay, so we might see a bullish recross right here and go upwards. We will see about that. For the RSI in the commodity channel index, as you can see, the RSI is had its lowest at around 40, and here at around 15. Now we are going up again. We are pretty fine for Cardano. And for the commodity channel index, minus 100, you can see we correct a little bit, a normal correction. Now we are going up again. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see that we had a selling opportunity right here, a red arrow, and of course we have the stochastic RSI in an oversold situation right here. So that's why we started maybe to go higher right now, because on the daily frame we had the stochastic RSI in an oversold situation, guys. So right there we had a very nice buying opportunity. I would expect the SSL hybrid to have a buying opportunity by now, but of course it doesn't. I do not know why it does not. However, as you can see, the RSI here, as we're getting into higher price for Cardano, the RSI will be getting lower, and of course that is that if we go all the way up and up, sometimes we will have to have a major correction. Okay, a very healthy but a major correction at the same time. So on the daily frame, we stand in an oversold for the stochastic RSI. Actually, we are not now, but we were yesterday. Okay, so we stand at an extreme oversold situation because in an impulsive way we are checking the stochastic RSI, and we will go to the Bitcoin chart. You can see that we started outperforming Bitcoin again. We are above the 20-day EMA. It is looking everything actually is looking good. The cat here is smiling. It should smile right here. There we go, a big nice smile. And you can see that the price, the stochastic RSI now might get a bullish recross and go upwards above the 80 as well. For ADA Bitcoin chart, the EMAs, as you know, lag a bit behind the prices. Therefore, we knew already that we shouldn't have any bearish cross between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. And this is amazing because from 10th August, guys, we have to see a bearish cross on the 4-hour frame. This is huge for Cardano and it is very good. Let's go to the daily. On the weekly frame for the ADA Bitcoin chart, on the daily we stand pretty good. The stochastic RSI did not go into an oversold situation on the daily frame for ADA Bitcoin chart, but now we are going upwards. Okay, we are going upwards again, and we want to see whether we can go into the next highs right there. If I had the Fibonacci extension tool, I might be using it around here. Let's use it a little bit. The trend-based Fibonacci extension from this bottom to this top to this bottom. You can see we are way far above the 4.236. All right. So now we have gone insane. We have gone parabolic for Cardano, the Bitcoin chart. Let's go to the weekly frame, and if I wanted to find on the weekly frame a low and two lows actually and one high, what I would do is that I would go from here around before we have this pump up to this top to this bottom, and you can see that we are now above the 0.786. it is a little bit down. There we go. We are above the 0.786 and we are going now to the 1. Okay, so there we go. On the weekly frame, we should be going around here in this line. You can see by the time we reach there, we will be approaching surely the all-time highs for the Cardano Bitcoin chart. Okay, and this is the true value for Cardano against Bitcoin. And as you can see, we're approaching a little bit of some important tops right there for Cardano against Bitcoin on the weekly frame. It is looking so good as well. The volume on the weekly frame starts to increase, although not as much as we had back on February. Okay, not as much as we had back on February. The moving average is decreasing a little bit as we are going upwards. So let's go to the 4-hour frame. And I think we will be surely getting to the 3 Tether USD. There's no doubt about that. 3.11, 3.20, but I think we will easily surpass the 3.20. We are about to go above, and the 3.27. All right. So therefore, these will work for me. I believe these things and these resistance levels, the next price targets will work. And we have one more at the minus 0.618, the 3.35. Okay, 3.35 Tether USD. So we have 3.11, 3.20, 3.28, and 3.35 Tether USD. All right. So therefore, we are going there. For me, we are going absolutely there. On the weekly frame, you should be careful. The volume is decreasing, the price going upwards. We are moving into the previous highs for Cardano against Bitcoin, and you can see that ADA right now is going even higher on the 4-hour frame. This is good, and I think we can approach these targets, but at the same time, guys, as we are going upwards, just be careful. Have in your mind that we should be having a correction going on for ADA. Right now we are on an impulsive wave. Ride the impulsive wave, it's all good, but always have in the back of your mind that we might have a correction. If you're a long-term hodler for ADA, this is perfectly fine. Do not worry about that. You can see now Bitcoin is just moving a little bit upwards. Nothing special right there, but ADA is moving upwards as much as it wants to, because ADA is outperforming Bitcoin. Okay, you can see the ADA Bitcoin chart. This is why we are going upwards. This is why ADA doesn't care about Bitcoin, doesn't care about Ethereum Bitcoin as well, doesn't care about Ethereum at all. And actually, it does not actually care, and it wants to compete Ethereum, but we will see about that. On the 4-hour frame Ethereum Bitcoin chart, you can see that we are going into an oversold situation. There are some great news coming for ADA and the smart contracts as well. All this hype for ADA pushes the price upwards, but the technical analysis allows it to. Okay, if the technical analysis doesn't allow to the Cardano to go upwards, then the news wouldn't play such an impact. All right, because right now we can go even higher. We are on an impulsive wave. We are going on an impulsive wave, and we were on an impulsive wave on the weekly frame from the moment we had this action right here. We knew that we are on an impulsive wave on the weekly frame for ADA Bitcoin chart. Okay, long time before. All right. So therefore, that's what we are doing right here. We are going all the way upwards. Let's see if we will stop at the 0.4062, or we will go even higher, maybe to the 1.618. This will be incredible. If it does that, ADA can explode at around 4 Tether USD. All right, depends on Bitcoin's price, of course. It can explode very high. So you can see that ADA right now is going higher and higher, massive gains right there. I believe we can go to the next price targets we mentioned right here, 3.11, 3.20. 3.27, with the most important being the 3.11, 3.27, and 3.35. All right, so thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.
we